Welcome to telaHosting, how to create databases in cPanel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a database in cPanel. There are two ways to do this, through the Manage My Database menu or through the Database Wizard. I'll walk you through both so you can use whichever works best for you. Let's start with Manage My Database menu. Log into your cPanel account, scroll to the Databases section and click on Manage My Database. Once you're inside, find the section labeled Create New Database. Type in the name you want to give your database and click the Create Database button. That's the database created, but we're not done yet because a database on its own isn't very useful until you have a user assigned to it. So scroll down to the database user section, choose a username and then set a strong password. You can use the built-in password generator to create a secure one. Just make sure you copy and save it somewhere safe because you will need it later to manage the database. Once you're happy with the password, click Create User. Now you need to link the user to the database. Find the Add User to Database section. Select the correct database and the user you just created from the drop-downs and click Add. On the next screen, you will be asked to set the user privileges. Select all privileges so the user can fully manage the database without restriction, then click Make Changes. You will get a confirmation message once it's done. You can double check everything looks right by going to the current database sections at the top. One thing worth knowing is that you can assign multiple users with different privileges levels to the same database if you need to. Now let me quickly show you how the database wizard works. From the cPanel databases section, click Database Wizard. Enter the name for your new database and click Next. On the next screen, create your database username and set a password again. Again, you can use the password generator. Click Create User. On the following screen, tick all privileges and click Next Step. You will then get a confirmation that the user was successfully added to the database and you're all set. Both methods give you the same result, so use whichever you're comfortable with. And that's everything you need to create a MySQL database in cPanel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications for more web hosting tutorials like this. See you in the next video.